Discover the best Instagram Reels trends and audio to supercharge your content right now. We'll dive into the trending formats and audios, along with essential tips on how to use them effectively and avoid copyright issues. Let's explore the trending formats that are captivating audiences on Instagram Reels. Reels thrive on short, attention-grabbing content. Hook your audience in the first few seconds. Utilize visuals to tell a compelling story, even in a short format. A strong visual narrative keeps viewers engaged. Share valuable knowledge through concise educational and informative clips. Teach your audience something new in a fun way. Now let's talk about the power of sound, trending audio on Instagram Reels. Leverage popular music snippets and viral sound bites. These audios can instantly make your reel more relatable and shareable. To find trending audio, look for the arrow icon next to an audio track on Reels. This indicates its popularity. Here are some crucial tips to make your Reels content truly shine and reach a wider audience. Always match the audio to your content's mood and message. The right audio enhances the viewer's experience. Reels are all about quick consumption. Keep your videos concise and engaging to hold attention. Use relevant hashtags to increase discoverability. Hashtags are key for reaching new viewers who are interested in your content. Finally, let's address the important topic of avoiding copyright infringement. Stick to Instagram's music library or create original audio. This is the safest way to avoid copyright issues. Educate yourself on fair use guidelines, especially if you plan to incorporate copyrighted material. It's better to be safe than sorry. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating trending and engaging Instagram Reels. Happy creating!